Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix games won't launching and not launching, right? So the first thing we need to do here, you need to go to EA app, press on the game, and then press repair. Maybe your game files is corrupted and it prevents you to play for playing the game, right? And after that, you just need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then go to on the 3 lines here, then go to help, and then app recovery and clear your app's cache files. And then look if the problem persists or not. Another thing that you can do here is you can completely close the app and relaunch again. So you just need to open up Task Manager and all the tasks related to EA. Just type here EA and end all the tasks and relaunch the app, and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to run EA as administrator. And to do so, you just need to on search look for EA shortcut, right click on it, go to open file location, and then again here right click on it, open file location, and you should find EA launcher exe file. So you just need to, again, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and run this program as administrator and apply and OK. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to go and search. Then you need to write virus and threat protection. And here, what you need to do is to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection settings, and then turn off this option here, real-time protection, and look if the problem persists, try to launch the app, right? And if the problem persists, another thing, the last thing that you can do here is to go to exclusions, add or remove exclusion, select yes. And then you need to add a EA app folder. So add an exclusion and folder. And if you don't know where to find your folder, you just need to go to on EA app, right click on it, open file location, and open file location again here. And then you will see where the path is. So you can press on the blank space, copy the path, then add the inclusion folder, paste the path here, and then just look for program files. And here it will be Electronic Arts, select folder, add it here, restart your computer, and then look if the problem persists or not. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.